Hello all, I'm Sai and you're watching the Book Dragon. In today's video, I'm partnering with Bookchor in order to bring you details about the Lock the Box sale that is to happen online between the 26th of November and 5th of December 2021 in Tamil Nadu. Just a heads up, if you're not from Tamil Nadu, you cannot purchase the books during the sale, but don't worry. Once the sale is over, they keep on changing cities and make the event available in different geographical locations within India itself. So even if you're not in Tamil Nadu, I'm sure that this video will be useful for you. Now, Lock the Box is a very unique literary event that is conducted by Bookchor with the concept single payment for all the books a person can fill and carry in 3 different sized boxes. This might seem like a very simple definition to you. I'll just explain what the sale is about to you guys and what are the kinds of books that you can expect from them. And at last, I'll show you some of the books which I've bought from Lock the Box as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the video right away. Now personally, I have purchased books from Lock the Box sale 5 times before. The first 2 times were in March and December of 2019. The second time was in the December of 2020. And the last 2 times are from July and October of 2021. The first 2 sales, that is in 2019, they were like live events where I went forward and purchased the books by myself. But the next 3 ones from 2020 and in 2021 were online sales because of the pandemic. And I can say that the quality of the books as well as the variety has not at all decreased in the online sale also. I can say that the online sale has provided an even larger variety compared to the live events for me. I've got 2 unboxing videos from Lock the Box before this channel already. I've linked both of them down in the description. Now I'll talk to you about the sizes of boxes that you will get inside the sale and the number of books and types of books that you can actually fill in those boxes. Just as I said before, there are 3 types of boxes available. The first one is the Odysseus box, which is the shortest of all. And the second one is the Perseus box, which is medium in size. And the last and final one is the most gigantic and best of all the boxes, which is the Hercules box. Personally, I have purchased both the Odysseus box as well as the Perseus box before, but I have not purchased the Hercules box because I have some restrictions for that box personally. Now I'll show you the first 2 sized boxes, that is the Odysseus box and the Perseus box, and tell you what the cost of those boxes are and what are the types of books that you can actually fill inside them. And at last, I'll tell you guys about the Hercules box and all the types of books that you can actually fit in that one. So according to the type of purchase that you have in mind, you can select the different size boxes and fill the books accordingly. The first one is the Odysseus box, which is the smallest of all the boxes. You can see that the box is very short in size and you cannot see many books being able to be fit inside such a small box. But trust me, I've bought this box at least 3 to 4 times before. The first time was in 2019 when I bought 2 of these boxes, and in each box I could fit 10 paperbacks, and all of those paperbacks were 400 or 500 page books, so not even a single short book. So in 2 of these boxes, I was able to totally fit in 20 books and all of them were totally awesome. When it comes to the price range, the Odysseus box, which is the smallest of all, costs 1199 rupees and it will be delivered free at your doorstep. My suggestion when it comes to filling the Odysseus box is to purchase very normal sized paperbacks that are 400 to 500 pages in length so that you can fill in at least 10 to 11 books in a single box. According to their concept, you can fit in at least 8 to 10 of normal sized paperbacks in a Odysseus box. The next one is the medium sized box and it is the Perseus box, which looks like this one. You can easily fit in 15 to 17 books, combine both paperbacks and hardcovers together in this box. Personally, I have purchased many of these boxes. The first time I purchased was in December 2019 where I bought 2 of these Perseus boxes and 1 Odysseus box, within which I was able to fit in totally 45 books and half of them were hardcovers. I even have a photo on my Instagram of me holding all the hardcovers stacked together. I'll try to drop that photo somewhere on the screen. I'm sharing all these personal details with you guys because I've been benefited so much from this sale in the past and it has helped me grow my collection in a very wide way. And if you're a book lover, I'm sure that this will be beneficial for you also. Now this box costs 1799 rupees and it will also be freely delivered to you at your doorstep. My personal preference is to combine both hardcovers as well as paperbacks inside this box. If you're choosing to buy like 15 books, I'd say that you can go for 4 to 5 hardcovers and 10 to 11 paperbacks depending upon the ratio, and I'm sure that it will be very beneficial. The last one is the Hercules box, which is the biggest of all the boxes. Personally, I've seen this box but I've not bought it, so I don't have a sample box to show to you as the size. In this box, you can easily fit in 28 to 30 books, again combining both paperbacks as well as hardcovers. I have not purchased this box personally because it is very much suitable for buying big sized books, for example like children's books and board books. I don't buy that many huge sized books, so I have not purchased this box so far. I'll show you a book as an example which will be very suitable to be purchased inside this box, because if you're going to buy more books of the size that I'm going to show you, this will be very viable for you. Now this is a huge hardcover which you can see that it is larger in height as well as it is very much broader. Now this is a normal sized hardcover and you can see the difference here. It is taller than a normal hardcover. At the same time, it is so much wider. Usually books like these, both paperbacks as well as hardcovers, are very much suitable for children's books. And if you are buying children's books for your children or nephews or nieces or children that you know, I'd highly suggest you to buy the Hercules box because it will be so much suitable. I've seen it on the live sale also, and illustrated books which are usually very big in size, they'll be perfectly fitting inside that box itself. And it's not just that, you can also fit in other size paperbacks also inside that single box. Now this box costs 2,999 rupees and it will also be freely delivered to your doorstep. So yes guys, those are all the details about the 3 sized boxes and their costs. Personally, I am from Chennai, and whenever I've ordered online from Lock the Box, it has taken me 14 days to get the books delivered. So if you are in Tamil Nadu, I am sure that it can take the same amount of time for you also to receive the boxes. If you are in other states, I am not sure about that timing. If you are from other states and you want to know the exact dates during which the sales are going to happen, I'd suggest you to follow both Bookchor as well as Lock the Box accounts on Instagram, because they announce the dates at least 1 week prior to the starting of the sale. I've dropped my affiliate link for the Lock the Box sale in the description. Please do consider buying the boxes through that link. Now I'll show you guys some of the books which I've actually purchased from the Lock the Box sale, and these are some of the types of books that you can expect from them, and the quality of the books is also really good. All of the books in my John Green collection except the copy of Turtles All the Way Down, which is a hardcover, all of them are from the Lock the Box sale. Of these, the first one is An Abundance of Catherines, then we have Will Grayson, then we have The Fault in Our Stars, Paper Towns, and Looking for Alaska. I bought all these 5 books during different Lock the Box sales, and all of them are in great condition. I can say that if I buy them on Amazon or any other book selling site, they'll cost at least 200 to 300 rupees for each and every copy. But in this way, I bought them for 100 to 120 rupees each. Next, I have a series which is the Millennium Trilogy by Stieg Larsson. All the 3 books were available as a bundle in the sale. The first one is The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. The next one is The Girl Who Played with Fire, and the last and final one is The Girl Who Kicked the Hornet's Nest. Now, this was available just as a bundle when I bought it in the live sale, and I'm sure that all these 3 books are available separately also during all the sales. Not just this series, but also some other famous series like the 50 Shades series, the Divergent trilogy, all of them are available on the Lock the Box sale abundantly always, so do look out for them. The next 2 books that I want to talk about are Indian books, and they are The Boy Who Loved and The Boy with a Broken Heart, both by Joy Datta. If you've been following me lately, I'm sure that you know that I love both these books very much because I read them very recently. Just a small recommendation in between: if you're a teenager, if you're in college, or if you love reading young adult books, please do try these 2 books. They are just so much awesome. I'm way past my college years as well as my teens. I'm saying these in specific because this first book, that is The Boy Who Loved, was available as a brand new copy for me, along with the plastic cover intact, and then I had to unwrap it, then read. Now I'll show you guys some of the hardcovers, because I usually love purchasing hardcovers from the Lock the Box sale because they are available at such cheap price when you split the prices of the books from the box and just see them separately. The first 2 books are awesome thrillers from a single author, and they are The Girl on the Train and Into the Water by Paula Hawkins. I bought them during different sales, and I can say that I love both these books so much, and if I have to buy them as separate hardcover copies online or in bookstores, they'll cost me at least 500 to 600 rupees each. Then I have some awesome Dan Brown books. The first one is The Lost Symbol, the next one is Inferno, and the final one is the best of all, which I've got from a Lock the Box sale, and it is the copy which I showed already. It is the illustrated copy of The Da Vinci Code, again by Dan Brown. All of these copies are excellent. I can say that each of these will be available for at least 500 to 600 rupees per copy if you buy them from other stores online or even from other used book sites. So please do consider buying from Lock the Box because I've got all these awesome books from the sale. Even this one, which is the illustrated copy, it is not easily available anywhere, but I found it on the Lock the Box sale in my December 2020 purchase, and I can say that it is a complete steal. To sum up, there are totally 3 different sized boxes. The first one is the Odysseus Box, which costs 1,199 rupees and it can easily hold 8 to 10 books. The second one is the medium sized box, which is the Perseus Box, that costs 1,799 rupees and can hold 15 to 17 books. And the last and final one is the biggest of all the boxes, which is the Hercules Box, that costs 2,999 rupees and can easily hold 28 to 30 books. All of these boxes will be delivered free for you at your home. There is no delivery fee included. I'm sure that if you're a bibliophile or if you want to develop your own library, this sale will be hugely beneficial for you. The sale happens between the 26th of November and the 5th of December 2021 in Tamil Nadu, so please do look out for it, and you can directly access the sale through the link that I provided in my description. I hope this video was useful for you and you found some value out of it. If you did enjoy watching today's video and found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it to your friends. If you want to get more content from me, do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.